Hello. Good morning to you. I came to the post office early this morning. I need to send one letter right now.
Good morning. I am happy to see you. Welcome to our post office today. How can I best help you with your mail?
Thank you very much for your help. This letter must go to my friend. She lives in Spain.
Spain is a beautiful country. We can send your letter there easily. Is this letter going to a major city?
Yes, it is going to Madrid, the big city. I want it to arrive quickly. It has important news inside.
I understand the need for speed. Fast delivery abroad is called airmail. I suggest you use that service.
That sounds like a good idea for me. I definitely need the fastest option available. How much faster is airmail actually?
Airmail is much faster than land mail. Your letter will arrive in about 4 or 5 days. That is very quick for Spain.
4 or 5 days is excellent timing. I'm happy with that speed. So, do I need a special type of stamp for airmail?
Yes, you do need a special stamp for airmail. It is a blue stamp with a picture of a plane. It looks very nice.
Oh, that blue stamp is lovely. I can see it now. It looks very official for my important letter.
It is indeed official. This blue stamp indicates your letter must fly. Is your envelope a standard small size?
Yes, the envelope is small and white. I only put 2 small papers inside. It is not heavy at all.
That is perfect for this stamp price. Heavy letters cost more money. Your letter is very light.
I am glad that it is light. So, what is the exact price of this special blue airmail stamp? Please tell me the number.
The price for this standard letter airmail stamp is $2.50. You can pay with cash or a card here.
$2.50 is a very fair price. I will pay that price right now. I have the money ready in my hand.
Great. Do you want to purchase just one stamp for this one letter, or do you need more for later?
I think I only need one stamp for today. This is the only letter I brought with me.
Very well. Just one blue airmail stamp for $2.50. You can give me the letter now.
Here is my letter, all addressed and ready. Please put the beautiful blue stamp on the envelope for me.
I will take the letter. I am applying the stamp carefully here on the top right corner. It is correctly placed now.
Thank you. That looks perfect now. My letter is ready to travel. You have been very helpful already.
My pleasure. The letter is now ready for sorting. It will leave the post office very soon.
Wonderful. Now, let me see. I have one more question for you about something else. Great. Thank you very much for your help with the first letter. Now, I have one more letter for you to see.
That is fine, Anna. We are here to help with all your mail. We can send this second letter too.
This one feels a bit heavier than the first one. I hope it is okay to send it like this.
We must check the weight now. The weight determines the correct stamp and the final cost. Please put it on the scale here.
Oh, this small scale is interesting. Does it tell us the weight immediately? Where should I look?
Yes, it does. Look at the digital screen in front of you. It shows 60 grams right now.
60 grams? That sounds like a lot of paper. Is 60 grams too much weight for a standard letter price?
Yes, 60 grams is a heavy letter for our standard stamp. It falls into the next weight category, I'm afraid.
I understand there's a different category. Does this mean I need a completely new kind of stamp?
Yes, you do. This heavier letter needs a stamp with a higher value. It ensures proper postage for its weight.
I am prepared to pay more for the weight. So what is the new higher price for the stamp for this letter?
The correct stamp for a 60-gram letter to Spain is $4. This is $1.50 more than the first one.
$4. I accept that price. I will pay for this second, heavier stamp now.
Very good. I will now print the correct postage label for this letter. It is a different color this time.
Perfect. I will give you the money for both stamps together when we finish. Is that okay?
That is absolutely fine, Anna. We will total the amount at the end of your visit.
Thank you. Now, that is all for my letters, but I have a small box for you to look at.
I see a box. Is it going to Spain too? We can certainly check the price for your package.
No, this small box is for my sister. She lives in Canada.
Canada is a long distance. Let us look at your package for international shipping.
Now, Mark, I have one last item to send today. It is this small, brown, cardboard box.
A package. That is great, Anna. We ship many boxes all over the world. Tell me, where exactly is this package going?
This is a birthday gift for my sister. She lives very far away in Canada. This is important for her.
Canada is a long trip for a package. Because it is outside of Europe, you need a special paper.
A special paper? What is the name of this paper? It looks complicated to fill out.
It is called a customs form. This form tells the Canadian government what is inside the box. Here is a pen for you.
Oh, I see the word customs here. What exactly must I write on this form? Do I need many details?
You only need to write a simple description of the contents. Just write what you put in the box.
Okay. The box contains some simple books and a small plastic toy for her child. That is all.
Please write exactly that on the form. Gift, books, and toy. Write it clearly and big.
I have written books and toy. Do I need to write the price or value of the gift on this paper?
Yes. Please write a small value, like $10. The value is necessary for the customs office.
$10 is the value. I have added that. Thank you for showing me how to fill out the form.
You're welcome, Anna. This form is a necessary step for all mail going outside the European area.
I understand the rule now. Should I write the address of my sister on this small form too?
No, the address goes on the box itself. We need to focus on the label for proper shipping.
Good point. I will put the form aside then. Let us talk about the address on the box.
Excellent. We must make sure the address is perfect so your sister gets her gift.
Can you show me the best place to write her full address? I want it to be very visible.
Absolutely. I will prepare the large shipping label for you now.
Great. I will get my pen ready again to write on the label.
I will prepare the label, and then we can talk about the cost and the delivery time.
I have the customs form ready now. Mark, where must I write the main address for my sister? I need it to be perfect.
You must write the address clearly on this big white label. This label will stick firmly to the outside of your brown box.
Should I write her full name and the house number? I need to be sure it is complete and easy for the mail carrier to read.
Yes, write the full name, the street name, and the city. And please make sure you include the postal code. It is the most important part.
The postal code is A1B2C3. I think I wrote all the numbers and letters correctly. It is a long code for Canada.
That is excellent, Anna. The postal code is crucial for our sorting machines. Now, let me place the box on our large scale to check the weight.
Okay, Mark. How much does the box weigh now? It felt very light when I was carrying it here to the counter.
The scale shows the package weighs exactly 500 grams. This is half a kilogram in weight.
500 grams. Is that a light weight for mail going all the way to Canada? What is the total cost for sending this small package?
For a weight of 500 grams, the price is $18.50. This price covers the standard shipping service and includes tracking information.
$18.50 is much more expensive than the letters. Is this the price for the fastest air shipping option?
No, this is the price for our standard shipping speed. It usually takes about 10 days for the package to arrive safely in Canada.
10 days is fast enough for the birthday gift. I want to choose the standard shipping option for this price.
Great choice. The package is now fully labeled and ready to travel with the correct cost calculated.
So, Mark, I had 3 items today. What is the grand total for everything, the 2 stamps and the package?
We need to add all the costs now. That is $18.50 for the package, plus $6.50 for the 2 stamps you bought.
$18.50 plus $6.50. So, what is the final number I need to pay you? I hope I brought enough cash.
The total cost for your 3 items is exactly $25. It is a very simple, round number to pay.
Thank you for calculating that total quickly. I think I have $30 cash ready for the payment.
That will be perfect, Anna. We can move on to the payment and the receipt now to complete your visit.
Mark, the total cost is $25 for all my items. I have the money ready here.
That's right, Anna. $25 is the final total. I am ready to process your payment now.
I am paying with this $30 bill. This is $5 more than the total cost.
Thank you for the $30. I will enter that into the cash register right now. I will prepare your change.
And can I please have a printed receipt for this transaction? I need it for my records of the package cost.
Of course, Anna. Here is your change, $5 cash. And here's the official receipt you asked for.
I see the total on the receipt. Everything looks correct now. Thank you for making sure of that.
You are most welcome. The 2 letters and the Canada package are now officially in the mail system.
This post office visit was very successful. You have been very kind and extremely helpful today, Mark.
I am glad to hear that. It was truly my pleasure to assist you with all your international mail.
I really appreciate your patience with all my questions about the forms and the costs.
Not a problem at all. We are here to answer every question to help our customers. Come back anytime.
I will certainly remember this post office. Have a great day and a pleasant rest of your shift.
Thank you, Anna. You have a great day too. I hope your sister loved her package from you.
Thank you, Mark. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Anna. We hope to see you again soon for your next mailing needs.